Okay, I just wanted to do a quick review on our drone. It is a Mavic clone. It's the baby brother clone of the Mavic series of drones. This is the Attop XT-1. It's considered a toy drone. It's only about $100, and we bought it just to cut our teeth and make sure that we learned how to fly. Crashed this one before we crash a more expensive one. So it looks a lot like the Mavic, but just kind of a baby version. Very, very similar, but doesn't have all the features of basically a more expensive drone. Comes out of the box, ready to go. You just unfold the legs. It's got basically nice props. It's got replacement props. So the battery goes in under here. Now it only comes with one battery, so it'd be worthwhile ordering 3 or 5 extra batteries. They only last about 7 minutes, and they don't recommend that you discharge them completely to increase battery life. So that's an adder that you should add to your order. Also, it has a little camera in front, but it's just kind of manual set. You kind of manually set it before you send up the drone, and it takes video. This is the power button, and that's pretty much it. And it's ready for flight. Here's the controller. It comes with a little screwdriver, so you can open up the bottom and put in the batteries. It's got a nice feel. Joysticks. So basically, I'll give you some instructions on another video in terms of how to initiate and go flying. But basically, up, down, turn left to right like this, and this basically forward makes the drone go forward, backwards makes it go forward, and left and right. So, and then you can take pictures and video with these buttons. You have to interface the drone with a phone app. So the phone basically fits in this little cradle right here, just like that, and you go flying. There's an app that they tell you where to go get the app. Once it gets going, you connect the phone to the drone via Wi-Fi, and you're all set to go. So the controller connects to the drone for control, and then the phone controls to the drone, and you can actually technically control the drone also from the phone. The controls are a little different, and then you're ready for flying. I was very impressed with it. It's a $100 drone. It was cost effective for us to learn how to fly. We've crashed it a few times. We even this basically back mount came off the motor, and it wouldn't quite snap back on, so I glued it back on. You'll see in the next video I flew it around a bit and it crashed a few times, but everything's holding, so I'm quite impressed. I'll have links. I have links down below in terms of this drone and the next level up drone. Go have a look. If you're just starting out and you've never flown, I would recommend definitely to start with this one before you move up to the next one, which is around $400 or $500, and definitely get the extra batteries. There's also a link to that below. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to try flying the drone after the repair. So the way it works is you turn on the drone, you turn on the keypad, you hit this little lever up and down, and then it goes beep beep, and then that connects up, so confirms it's hooked up. Then you bring up the phone app, so the app that you downloaded, set up through the Wi-Fi. So instead of having your home Wi-Fi, you Wi-Fi to the drone and the phone, and basically connect up to it. The video is coming through the phone, so I could see what the drone sees right now. You probably won't see it on the camera.
No.
But if we're to record any video or take pictures, it actually goes to the phone, and then you can download them off the phone. So we'll see if it works. I haven't flown in a while, a little rusty, and we'll see what happens. Well, we were flying the drone. Well, I was flying the drone a little earlier today, and I was so pumped because I had 6 batteries now. I could fly it for a while, and it felt like there was no wind. Got some great footage for buffalo, and but the drone basically went out that way, and I lost communication with it, and it just kept going and going.
So we're gonna try and find it. The
good part is that it probably only had 3-4 minutes of battery life left, but it was just going. So we're gonna go look for it.
Buffalo are way over there. Hopefully they stay there.
I'm pretty sure it cleared these trees and just kept flying this way. So I went in the bush about twice this distance from the house and no luck. And it's cold, so we're calling it quits. We're gonna give the drone a burial, at least maybe the remote.